Here I am, dressing up like Joshua, God's leader for his children. And we speak truth here, like this. Humility keeps me from humiliation. You try it. Humility keeps me from humiliation. Joshua did everything that God told him to do. And then the trumpets trumpeted, and the people shouted, "Yeah!" And the walls came down in Jericho. Elephants trumpet through their nose with an "eh." They make this noise with one big breath. The ruins of Jericho now can be seen. They were buried a while, covering history's screen. The children of Israel walked around this town. They trumpeted, shouted, then the walls fell down. You can still see these fallen walls if you go over to a place called Tel Es Sultan in Palestine. Let's talk about Ellie for a minute. Ellie the elephant, Ellie the elephant, eats and walks, steps over big rocks. Ellie the elephant, And I'm going to say thank you in Hebrew. Todah.